Yes, we are spreading some winter joy to our early learners at Portland Public Schools.
We're gonna get new coats and wear them outside.
It means a lot for us to be able to give something that's so essential to our families and our students.
Hello, sweetheart. My name is Robert. Would you like to go pick a new coat?
I grew up very poor. I grew up in the projects back east, and so I understand what it's like to not have proper shoes, what it's like to not have winter coat in a cold climate.
Today we're partnering with Portland Firefighters Association, Local 43, to put coats on underprivileged children in our community. There's a huge need, and it's a really easy way for us to give back.
Is it all pink?
This is just a small piece, if this helps them in the winter to be more comfortable, which makes it so that they learn better, and as it also is a confidence builder, right? To have something nice and new and clean and is yours, I think means a lot.
It means everything. That's all we want, our kids to be safe, to be nurtured and loved, and have a little joy.
Some more